Hey guys, welcome. Today we'll be creating a resource group using the Azure CLI. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. As a beginner, I would advise that you get to use available documentation from Azure, Microsoft Azure, to help you understand the structure or the syntax in creating resources on Azure. Now, a good way to do this is you can do AZ group help, AZ group create help, but I'll actually use this powerful AI tool now, which is AZ find, and then the find is anything on AZ group create. So when I press enter, Azure goes ahead to give you the common ways to create a resource group. Now you see the main command is AZ group create, not AZ create group. It is AZ Azure groups I want you to create, and you can use the location first and say, I want you to create in this location, West Europe, a resource group by name AS v3 resource group. You could also do it in a different way. AZ group create again, the name of the resource group, and its location, which is what I've done for a long time. So either way, it's fine. And of course, if you want to do anything else like put a VNet in a resource group, these are the methods you can adopt for it. So let's go ahead and create a simple resource group. But to do that, let me just quickly check what we have. So I'll do AZ group list. I want you to output that in the table format. And it shows me there's only one resource group called Cloud Shell, which is actually this terminal. This terminal creates a resource group and helps you to run this terminal. I want to create one. Let's give it the name Expert Cloud Hub. So following this format, which is my usual, I'll type AZ group create. The name of the resource group is Expert. Let's hyphenate it. Cloud Hub. Okay. And then afterwards, the location, I want it to be in West Europe, just as per the above. So once again, AZ group create is a command or the syntax you need to invoke to create a resource group and its name in the location where you are specified. So that is it. Now we press enter and it says resource group is created. So we do AZ group. Just again, the output of it, we want it to be a table. We should now see two resource groups, the Cloud Shell and the new one called Expert Cloud Hub. And here we are. The Cloud Shell as well as the Expert Cloud Hub are all in West Europe. I'll go into the portal now, bring this down, click on resource groups, and there you are, Azure Cloud Hub created by yourself. Now, of course, when you create, you should be able to delete. I want that to be your assignment. Find out how you can delete resources. A good way to do that, you can do the find again, AZ find, and let's do delete. A good way to help you. And it gives an example, AZ group delete, the name of the resource group, this time no location is required, and the name of the resource group. Okay, so over to you. Go ahead and run that. AZ group delete, resource group, and the name of the resource group. Of course, to know that, you pick a list of the resource groups, and from there, the name of it is Expert Cloud Hub. Of course, the format is in JSON. Let's output it in a table format. So it's easier. Okay. All right. So go ahead and delete your resources. I'll do mine as well. AZ group delete Expert Cloud hub. I'll wait for a second. Guess what? And it's right. You are supposed to specify what resource you're deleting. It's a resource group. So always follow these helpful tips from Microsoft. It helps you a lot. Okay. Of course, it actually tells you that you can actually list all the resource groups in a specified location, like West US. So that command is also very helpful. So get conversant with these commands. I want to perform it. I'll do yes. And as it's doing that, let's bring this down. Let's refresh this, and it's gone. All right, guys, thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.